Hello everyone. We are in the St. Mary's River and it is such a beautiful evening. And if I didn't have a calendar in my room that said October, I would swear it was summer. It's such a nice temperature. The water's so calm. I am on the Atlantic Huron and we are on our way to either Superior or Duluth, I'm not sure. But they're pretty close, so that direction we'll be going across Lake Superior. But I just wanted to share how beautiful it is. And it smells really nice up here, like the air smells really sweet. You can smell the trees. There was more color earlier. I'll have to post some of the pictures of the colors. It was beautiful. I just finished dinner. We had Chinese food tonight. Oh, I don't know if you can hear that. Someone's blowing a whistle. I just may have to go for a walk. But I just wanted to share this with you. Hope you're having a nice evening. Bye.